Okay, I am back. It has been 24 hours since the end of part 30 and this is the start of part 31. Before I stopped playing, if you watched, I was trying to figure out what to do with this goddamn lever. This valve. Oh my god, I keep saying that. And I decided that I would look up the solution and find out where to put it, but there isn't. I googled Dishonored space quotes replacement valve and there wasn't a single valid result, so no one has on the whole interwebs explained what the fuck you do with this valve. It's just not. No one has actually published how you do it, if they have figured out how you do it. So I'm gonna try and do it even harder than before. I'm gonna give this another 10 minutes, another run around the whole area, and if I still don't know, I am gonna just give up. Yeah, that sounds reasonable. Okay, I'm gonna drop this here. Whoa, he didn't see me. He can't see me. Okay, so I'm gonna check every building thoroughly in a very efficient manner, just one after the other, and if I still don't know where to put it, I'm going to just give up. Okay, fuck. Okay. Alright, I've already explained everything. Now to do it. Okay, there are things that I haven't found. So that's if I don't find the solution to this problem, at least I'll be doing it for that. Okay, let's start with this room. I've already been here like 5 times. Haha. Oh, that was cool. Pulverized. Okay, yeah, there's nothing. Okay, nothing is in here. Actually, I'm gonna put the valve down and then I'm gonna leave it there and I'm gonna come back once I find the solution. I have 2 things to do actually. I need to find the bunk place, although I think I might have fucked that up. That might be foobar, I might have just went much too far ahead to find that. I'm gonna have a look for it though. Workshop key. Do I already have a workshop key? What did I just pick up? Inventory. Keyring. Yeah, 2 workshop keys I already have. I really like very much how the inventory works. It's very organised. Yeah, I really do like it. Okay, let's check this room here, this structure, building. Okay, there's no way in from the top. Yeah, I really did need a break after all of that frustration yesterday. I think by taking a break I've improved my chances of actually finding it. My god, has the loot been reset since I started the game up again, or have I already... Okay, this place seems inaccessible. There's a building here with no way in whatsoever unless you can use a ram or something on the door. That's... yeah, there's no way in there. What the hell am I meant to do? Yeah, that building is just... I'm gonna try something that I might... This is a... Okay, the way these are stacked, it seems like you're meant to go up here. Oh. I could use blink. Oh. I can get in that window. I didn't think I could get up here. What the f... Oh, is that where I put the valve? Wow. Is that the bunkhouse safe? No, this is just a safe. Ingot. Food. Bullets. That was worth 100, I think. That's not bad. Okay, how the hell are... What? If that is barred up, and the only way in is through the windows, how do other people get in here that don't have superpowers? The first stricture. Nothing profound in there. Oh yeah, I forgot, I was gonna do this.
Misery. Everywhere.
Yeah, the heart gives secrets or clues apparently, so maybe I should have thought about doing that at some point.
Such corruption. Such hypocrisy. Make me look on it no more. They are burning whales. Once they are brought here, they never leave. The overseers always find the guilt they seek. Where have the overseers gone? They wade through chest-high waters with their hounds. Somewhere near, a man has just taken his last breath. His eyes are still open. Misery. Everywhere. Such corruption. Such hypocrisy. Make me look on it no more.
I'm going to save. Okay, now to recheck this building.
The doom of Panacea has come to the city.
Bunkhouse! Bunkhouse safe. Oh my god, is this the bunkhouse safe? Oh my god. I even memorised the combination overnight. Come on! Oh fucking hell. I can't, that's me found the bunkhouse safe, that is it.
The doom of Panacea has come to the city.
203. Yeah, that is the bunkhouse safe, holy shit. How have I missed this place? Does that mean I've not been in here before? Oh my god. If I haven't been in here before, that's a bit ridiculous.
Once they are brought here.
It's come to my attention that you know where Sanctum is. If I catch you loitering by the statue of Holger again, hoping to run into and perhaps liaise with one of my guests, I'll have you branded a heretic and cast out of the city. Oh yeah, that's one thing I did actually look up and find out. You can play the entire game without killing anyone whatsoever. That's what this is for. Where the hell is it? Okay, I don't have it right now. Oh wait, no, it should be in here. No, it's not. Yeah, there's the heretic brand, that is what that is for. You're meant to brand Campbell. I could have did that instead of killing him. I've killed someone.
The overseers always find the guilt.
Yeah, I haven't been here. I've missed this entire area, this entire room. I could have killed Campbell. I mean, I could have saved Campbell, I ended up killing him. That makes me slightly sad, but that won't happen in future missions. I know that now, so I'm gonna figure out everything. I mean everything. Oh, that was weird. There was no arrow. Okay. Okay, there's no valve in there though. I'm pretty sure there's no place I can put a valve. That's okay. Let's see this again. Notes. That's where it is. Notes. Replacement valve. Fuck. Replacement valve. Little supply depot by the loading docks. Okay, let's. I'm gonna just be okay. The loading docks. That's that crane. That is a a dock. That is where ships get loaded. It wouldn't make sense for it to be anywhere else. Oh, that was risky. Okay, this is the crane. These are the loading docks. There's no building here, that's the only building. And I just checked there. Yeah, I've checked here already, there's nothing fucking here. What? Ah, holy shit. Cannot believe it. When was the last time I saved? Oh, that's not bad. Oh, okay. Okay, I've figured out that is where you put the replacement valve. I've spent about half an hour on this fucking puzzle, at least. This better be good. This really better be good. Oh my god, that is it. That is it. Oh, holy shit. Yeah, I should have fucking figured that shit out when I was looking for that bone charm that was in that place, on that dead guy. Okay, this better be good. Ah, now it opened. Oh, this is fucking bullshit. I just got done by the game. Completely fucking done. I've already been here. I already picked up the bone charm that was lying right there. Although I missed all of this. Oh, that pisses me off. Okay, alright, I found the bunkhouse safe and I found the valve puzzle solution. That's me done everything. Can finally finish this mission and move on. That is fucking bullshit though, really. I mean, that is where you put the valve, and I've already been here. Ah, fuck's sake. I was here an hour ago or something. Ah, it's just extremely gay. Alright, I'm gonna try something. Time to save. Time to charge this and then jump. Oh fuck, that didn't work. Momentum is maintained when you blink. You can't use it to break a fall. Okay, I'm done. Holy crap, there's the brand. That is what you use to save Campbell. And we're done.
From the way I hear it, Campbell lived a pretty posh life. Maybe it's not my place to say, but men of the faith shouldn't live like barons. Are you ready to go?
Of course, I'm fucking sick of this place.
Okay, let's go.
Holy shit. Okay, here's the resolution, I mean. Hostiles killed 1. 6 bodies found, what the hell? What the hell? Don't kill anyone. I was detected. How was I detected? I can't remember being detected. All runes found, all bone charms found, outsider shrine found, Sokolov paintings found, and I found 2/3 of the loot. That's a lot better than my scores on like Thief 2 for loot found percentage total. Ah, jeez. Okay, next one. That was a lot of fun, but frustrating at points. Okay, mission 2.